Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to Wix site. So first is head over to wix.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next in the left panel, scroll down and click on customers and leads, then click on contacts. Now from the contacts page, just click on create new, enter in details about the new member that you want to add. And once you've added details about the new members you're planning to add, click on Save. Just repeat the process to create more new members. So as you can see, this specific member's status is currently blank, which means that they are still not a member of your Wix site. And to change their status, click on the three dot icon that is named More Actions. Then click on Set Contacts as Members. Select your newly created member and tick the box beside their profile. Then click on Set as Member. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!